This video is going to explain how to hook up the monitors to hear a CD up front in the church. The first place we're going to start with is called, this is the patch bay. And so 1, 2, 3, and 4, the top row is going to correspond with the monitor channels on the soundboard. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We are going to use 4 because that is the designated, dedicated aux channel for running the monitors up front. So this is the master volume, and then the CD player has its own volume. So if you're running more than the CD player, you can adjust it there. But aux 4 is where we're gonna run. We're gonna go back over to the patch bay. So we're gonna plug into 4 up top because that is our corresponds again with the aux channel on the mixer board. We're gonna come down to 5. We're gonna loop it into 5. Now 5 here is going to be 17 down on this other end of the snake up on the stage, and you'll see how that corresponds. I just know that 5 is 17, and I can explain at another time how that all works up front. So we're going to plug from 4 to 5.
Now where is that cord kept?
These cords are kept in the top left drawer in the room with the amps.
Okay.
So when you go into that room, it's the top left drawer. There's several of these short patch cords. Okay? So we're going to go back down front now and take it up from there.
All right.
Good.
Started anytime.
Okay, so down here, right now we're using this orange extension cord because that is long enough. We plug into the outlet on this side of the sanctuary. So we're going to bring the cord around to the front of the pews, and at this point we're going to plug in, this is called a ground lift. On this circuit there tends to be some noise, so we want to plug this into the cord, extension cord, and then this is the plug for the power strip, and we're going to plug that in there. The ground lift should eliminate any of noise from the power line, or from the power where we plug it in. So again, we're going to follow this over. Here's the other end of our power strip. It's off. So we plugged in the first monitor into the power strip. We have another heavy extension cord that plugs into the power strip. It's going to link us across, come over, and we plug in the other monitor into this extension cord that runs across. It lays fairly flat across the floor. Okay, let's go up to what we call the snake. And this is where I was explaining the patch bay. So if we take this is called a quarter plug cord. We're going to plug it into 17. Remember I said 17 upstairs. So that links us to the patch bay upstairs now. So now this quarter plug cord comes around, comes across, going to lay right beside the power cord. And I've got it laid out here. So we're going to get the other end of the cord. Here's the other end of the power cord. It's going to come in here. This is input 1. We're going to input it into that only place on the back that you can plug it in. There. Below that is a line mic button. You want it to the line, and we're going to turn our volume. We're just going to start kind of mid-range on the input, and that is how much signal. Let's do that. We good?
So, yep.
Okay, so your 2 volume adjustments are going to be on the input, and then this is like the master volume. This is going to adjust how much volume is coming out of the monitor. This is called an XLR cable, and this is, you'll see where it says line out. So we're going to plug this XLR cable into the line out on this monitor. So we're going to bring this cable across to the next monitor. And you're going to see on this input 2, there's input, we can input on 1 or 2. So we're going to input on 1, plug it in there. Now on this one, it's down because this is considered a microphone cable. You'll see where that is. Again, your master volume is going to be adjusted with these 2 volume levels there. That's the terminations and how you hook up down below. At this point, we can turn the monitors on, both of them.